Hello, folks. It's Felix the Handyman. Hey, I've been over here with this coronavirus thingy. I ain't got it. No way, Jose, man. I know I ain't got it. Yeah, 'cause coronavirus stuff, man, it don't like me, man. And if it did get into my system, hey, it got so much chili that sucker be burned hot. But what I got today, though, is a little radius cutter. Anyways, so I figured I'd show it to you, make it quick and easy. And makes it real easy for cutting circles, cutting radius, or whatever you want. There ain't no special slick shop, and just regular old shop of my own. Of course, I have to have my cooler, for we could chill out. What I did here was I make up a little radius cutter as I was going crazy trying to figure out how to cut a round circle. So here's what I figured out. This long part here, put a center point on it. I ran the bar down here. And this is attached to a centering piece. These screws right here are so the board won't go nowhere. Darn thing wants to run off every time I turn around. Worse than having kids. This radius board right here matches right to it. I added this little piece on here so that board won't run away. That way I could just clip her down. And this part here is my measured radius distance that I needed, and this one was 11.5 inches. So I measured from my router bit up 11.5 inches, made a hole in my wood, and cut it. Under here, I have the regular circle cutter that they have. It comes with my router cutter. Anyways, and I just bolted that down to the table, cut a slot through there, put this other piece on top. That way it don't go nowhere. And from here, all the way up to here is 11.5 inches. This board here, anywhere I swing, 11.5 inches, and maintains the radius. So I could put this here, put any kind of piece of wood I want under here, match it to the toe, run it against the router, and zip, there you go. Cut exactly to the radius. Now, most folks think I'm crazy to do that, but no, I'm not. You see, I have to put a base on this barrel, and the radius works just right. I know I ain't no darn fancy fandangle thing. Just a couple of pieces of wood, screws, and a nail. But anyways, there it is. Make sure you get this on center with this down here. Make sure they're square. Okay. Anyways, so I thought I'd show you that. Makes it a lot easier for cutting circles or radius or whatever you want. And if you want to cut a big one, you can cut a big one. If you want a small piece, well, just use this guide board right here and attach it on there with these so it don't go nowhere. And that's it. Slicker and snot on the doorknob. Well, you folks have a nice day. It's Felix the Handyman. Take care now.